Hello everyone, I am Hanuman and today we are going to solve the most famous lead code problem ever asked in the coding interviews. Today we are solving lead code problem number 1 to sum using the optimal approach. We are given an array of integer and a target value. We need to return the indices of two numbers whose sum is equal to the target. So basically, if I show you through the example, there is an array which contains these numbers 2, 7, 11, and 15, and we are given a target value 9. So we have to find the indices and their value whose sum is equal to 9. So in this array, if we find two values whose sum is 9, then they are 2 and 7. If we sum these two values, we will get the sum 9. So same in the second example, target is 6. So in this we have to find two numbers whose sum is 6. So if we plus 2 and 4, we will get the targeted value, that is 6. Again, if the value is and we have to return the index values of those numbers. Okay, so here target is 6, the index 0 and 1 gives us the target. Okay, now we have understood what we have to do. So we will use a brute force idea. First idea is to check every pair using nested loop, but what would but that would take time complexity o power n square, which is not sufficient for large inputs. So optimal idea is instead we can use a hash map for every number, calculate the required complement, which check if that complement already exists. If yes, we would find the answer. So we store numbers in a hash map along with their indices. So let's move on to the solution and the code. So first we have to declare an unordered unordered map. We will give it name mp. Okay, now we will run a for loop in which int i sorry int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size and I plus plus. So this will be the for loop condition, and now we will declare an integer complement which is equal to target minus nums index of I. Okay, and now we will check a condition. If the unordered map mp dot find complement is not equal to mp dot end. Okay, this will be the condition. If this is true, then return the object value of mp index of complement I, and if this is false, we will assign mp index of nums index of I equal to I. Okay, and then we will return the blank copy if nothing is happened. So let's again check if something wrong. So first we declared an unordered map mp and run a for loop int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size and I plus plus, and then in that condition we declared an complement integer name complement, and it is equal to target minus nums I and then we check a condition if mp dot find complement is not equal to mp dot end, then we have to return the mp dot complement comma I, and then if the condition is false, then we assign mp nums I equal to I, and then if the for loop doesn't if the condition doesn't go into the for loop, then return the blank object. So now we will run this first. Okay, our test cases have been passed, you can see, and now we will submit the solution and check the time complexity and space complexity. Okay, the solution has been submitted and it took 0 ms, beat 100%, and space complexity is also fine. So our solution is optimized and it is well. So thank you for watching.